Very good morning. Time is at about 8:33, and today is October 1st, first day of the month. Not necessarily first day of the new expiry, but monthly expiry. But I think this is a good way to really start some bit of a tracking for the trading. So yesterday there was a SEBI board meeting, but I do believe nothing drastically happened, which is good and bad. I thought there's going to be some bit of reforms for the, especially for the options trading, which ideally did not happen. But I think from today onwards there is increase in the STT rates. I think if somebody is doing derivatives, I think that's going to really impact the overall charges. I think that is definitely one impact to the retail traders. Yesterday I did post on the Twitter the summary of SEBI recommendations. Probably I'll not spend much time on that today because it's there is nothing other than some regulations on the, let's say, how to become a investment advisor or the research analyst. I think there is some bit of a decrease in the qualification. Earlier it was postgraduate degree, but right now it's, I think, graduate degree, and then they also are not looking at any experience per se. I think some of those things definitely happened from the board meeting, but as I said, it's not as they expected. As I said, there were absolutely no reforms or whatsoever, mainly from the derivatives perspective. But without much wasting time, so let me get on to um, the forecast for today. So today is a FINIFTY expiry. FINIFTY obviously is not an easy index to trade, and uh, definitely people need to take some caution before getting on to FINIFTY. All right. Okay, let's get on to FINIFTY. So I was actually trading FINIFTY yesterday, but then this was more of a auto strangle. I think I made about 50,000 or whatever, but then eventually I did not want to take any risk towards the fag end of the day. That's the reason I have exited FINIFTY towards the end. And let me look at day chart. Daily chart, I think, still looks overall trend is intact. I don't think there is any challenge with the daily trend. It's 83 percent correlation. So one second, let me get rid of these lines. I'll get on to some bit of a daily forecast, but right now the good news is this is actually kind of touch the channel. Either it will probably go a bit more down below this channel and then reverse back, but right now I think it does look like this channel is going to be intact. So FINIFTY, anyway, there is a daily expiry that's going to stay, but let me get on to very quickly what's in store for the today's. Today, as of now, it's showing a downward trend on the 15 minutes candle, mainly because there was definitely some reversal. Is this an all-time high? Let me just check if it is all-time high. Yeah, this was indeed an all-time high, which is 200. I think, yeah, if I have to really short there, I think that is the number 200. And let's I think from there it pretty much fell for almost like 700 points. I think, yeah, around 740 points. I think that's a massive fall. But let's say if you look at the daily trend today, it actually shows at least on the 15 minutes candle, it shows definitely a bearish candle. But when the market opens, and also I think one thing that you need to be cautious is this is also below this line, so which means that there could be some kind of a reversal which might probably happen. But otherwise I think the day overall trend, anyway, as I said, it's intact and it's definitely positive. I think even if I go with the 1 hour candle, 1 hour candle also, definitely the texture was not changed. It is still bullish. So I think it's very difficult to give a number. But right now, if at all I have to trade, I would be very cautious and probably short somewhere 25,000 kind of a thing, and then leave it there and then see how it goes. And I'll also look at what could be this number. Let me bring this thing here. Stop. Just give me 1 second. Okay. So let me show the open interest very quickly. So open interest FinNifty. Yeah, I think it's a wider range starting from 2500 to pretty much on the bottom 2400. I think it's a fairly wider range. I'm out of curiosity if I have to do some strangle there, what it would look like. I do have some open position. I think it doesn't make sense. It's just 5.4 rupees. It absolutely doesn't make sense. This is also 6.5. But I think if I have to really look at the next open interest is 24800, and then bottom side is at about 24300. Let's look at this as a strangle. 24800 and sorry, it's 24800, which is 14 rupees, and this side is 23800, which is about 27 rupees. And let's do, I think this looks definitely lucrative, which is about 2.6%. But yeah, definitely being a starting of the month, there could be some bit of a challenge on the what is say volatility. Again, we do not know when these spikes would happen. So typically, first months are usually relatively calmer, but let's see. First weeks are relatively calmer. Let's see how the day would shape up. I think when it comes to Nifty, very straightforward. Let's look at the open interest, right? So open interest perspective, 26,000 seems to be 26,000 seems to be definitely massive resistance. I think this is what it is. And then below that, also the PC at 0.65, until unless there is some bit of a bounce back, we can't expect a reversal here. But right now, yeah, 26,000 seems to be definitely some bit of a resistance here. And the downside, I do not see uh, any support at all. But today, in case if there is a reversal, there is a chance that Nifty probably would bounce back. But let's see how the day would shape up. So today, let me get on to Nifty and yeah, so this particular candle actually dropped below this middle line. Usually, when there is a drop below this middle line, there's going to be some reversal, but the reversal would happen either today or tomorrow. We do not know. If you look at the previous occasions, whenever there is a drop, I think there is one more drop, and then from there the reversal actually started. But so on the MACD perspective, it still shows a bullish nature. I think this is definitely some bit of a conflicting information, but let's see. So right now, my overall view or the trend is definitely positive, both on the FinNifty and also on the Nifty per se. But as the day progresses, we'll have to definitely see how this would actually shape up. I think that's also. I am not planning to do Bank Nifty today because FinNifty is there. So in fact, both Bank Nifty and FinNifty are expiring today because tomorrow is holiday for market. And I might do some bit of a trading on Nifty. So Nifty, I do have some open trades at this point of time. They're not very massive. So Nifty, I have just one open trade, which is a CE only. So this is, I just shorted 26,000 mainly because I see some bit of a Y building up there. But in case of reversal, I'll have to rework on the position. I did a Reliance. It's basically put I sold, and this is at 29,000 again because Reliance is into what do you say, the bonus shares and other things. I know there was a fall yesterday. That's the time I did sell Reliance. And today, in case of reversal, that's great. If it is no reversal, then I'll have to see. But I'm not planning to exit this trade anytime soon. So at least I will be getting some advantage on the time decay as the time progresses. So I think as of now, I'll stay on this trade, and the lower side is anyway, it's about 2.33 lakhs, not much of a money. So I will probably stay on this trade for some time. And Tata Power, I do have future, and usually I do not do trade futures, but I thought okay, let me do some experiment and then see. And then Fin Nifty is a very straightforward strangle, so which is 24,250 P and then 24,750 C. I think that's the strangle that I have at this point of time. I think I'll stay on this strangle, or also if I do not do anything. This also, the losses are very not massive, so it's I know risk reward is 4.8, but I'll probably start building some positions on top of this, or I will exit this trade and then try to build some positions as soon as the market opens. I think that's the plan for today. I will definitely short some more Nifty depending on the direction today. Either it's going to be 26,300, which was I think which was Nifty's peak. Let me just check once. Yeah, it's about 26,300. I think probably this I'll short today because tomorrow is holiday, so I'll just leave it there and then see what happens. So yesterday there was in fact Powell made a statement yesterday that they're planning to do one more rate cut, but it won't be as aggressive, 0.5%. I think that definitely impacted Nasdaq quite massive yesterday. And there was some recovery in Nasdaq yesterday. Let me show here. Yeah, somewhere here there is a recovery, and then in fact it was falling, but I think as soon as the news came, there was reversal happened India time at about 11:50 or so. I think again that is also good news, and I'm thinking that should really boost Indian markets as well. If I have to look at the Gift Nifty, is definitely positive. Yeah, a little bit positive, and yeah, let's see how the day goes. Yeah, if you're trading Fin Nifty, careful, and especially last week Tuesday there was a massive impact after I think 2 o'clock. I think 2:30 or 2 o'clock. I think this is Thursday. Let me go to Tuesday. Yeah, I think this one. Yeah, Tuesday. Yeah, there was this bigger candle definitely impacted some profits. I think that's what which I remembered. I think I was also a little bit impacted with that candle. All right, then have a great remaining day, and we'll also get ready for the trading. And in case if I get time, I will do live trading later in the day. But otherwise, see you all not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye bye.